In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section here called additional settings. Now click on one-handed mode. And finally activate it thanks to gray switcher right next to it. When you're ready, it's time to use it. To do that, turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, swipe up or click on this section at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!